told you, it is more important than anything. Sound design is the backbone of any video. For example, see this video. Did your brain imagine any sound? Now, see this video. So that's the magic sound design brings. So always try to listen the scenario without sound first before adding any sound effects. Let your brain imagine sounds, and after that you can add sounds on the particular scenes. Add the sounds from your websites or where you can get free sound effect. Try it and comment it now. For free sound effects, check the comment section. Thank you.